We are watching right now RIVIAN stock, the night of the earnings and revenue. Look at this gap to the upside, but then 7 consecutive red candlesticks to the downside to close the same gap. Very interesting price action. Where you trading it when this happened? Let us know in the comments, guys. What do you think about this price action? How do you see RIVIAN stock? Welcome to Dynasty. Remember to subscribe. Let's get started.
So very interesting, Rivian Automotive. Let's see the latest news.
Let's go.
So what was happening, with these earnings. Obviously, we had two data, 2 points of data that are very important. The surprise factor in the earnings and in the revenue. So right now, the negative surprise factor in the earnings is affecting the stock, and that's why I suppose the stock went down again. And obviously, the revenue is not that bad. We are talking about like an increase in 1%, which is more than 16 million, more than the expected. And so this is mixed results in the end. So investors are right now thinking, okay, is it a good time to buy or sell?
Yeah, exactly. That's the question that everyone has in their minds right now. Let us know in the comments below your thoughts about it. And also, the important thing is to take into account the net income, because we can see with the annual net income and also the quarterly, they were in negative territory. So obviously, this is also affecting those investors that are trying, to enter or to exit this stock. So let us know in the comments your thoughts about financial results in general. Do you apply fundamental analysis along with technical analysis, or do you only play one of those sides? Welcome to HD. Read the disclaimer. Let's go with the technical analysis.
Let's go. So what's happening right now with the technical analysis is a little bit more complicated. At least we have the year to date that is minus 2%, which is not much. If we compare that for the long term. So obviously we are reaching the bottom. So let's go to the daily chart, and you can clearly see what I'm talking about. We have the last lows were at $11. Right now we are trading at 16, almost $17. So we are near low levels. Obviously we are not trading at $178, which is the incredible highs that were made back in November 2021.
Yeah, exactly. That's a very interesting price, 180 to take into account, because we are talking about 10 times more from this actual price, I think. So let's see, the exact drop that happened from that highs is almost 91% more or less, which is insane. Guys, did you expect this when this happened? Because a lot of people, I suppose, were trading or investing in this stock during 2021, and obviously sometimes you don't see this happening. It's like you see the stock at $150, for example. You don't think the stock is going down to $10 more or less. That's something that you should expect, but normally when you are trading or investing, it could happen that you forget about it.
We are talking about dangerous times, because a lot of things happen during these last years. It's not something that is common in the markets, to see such volatility in some particular stocks. But the thing, when they started to increase interest rates, the ones with a lot of debt were the most affected, and this could be like possibly one of the reasons about this underperformance, because they had to pay a lot of debt with a high interest, and the reality is like it's translated into losses, and the stock it has been always into losses, and that is the thing. We are talking about minus 1,000 million dollars every quarter.
Yeah, exactly. The net income at the end is something very, very important, and probably that's the reason of that fall, during 2021 and 2022. Let us know in the comments, guys, what do you think? Because during 2023, at least the price has been, kind of holding in between this range. We have the January 2023 right here, more or less. The price was around $16, and right now we are at the very, we are only 2% below the start of this year, I think. Yeah, year to date right now, minus 2%, which is very interesting, because we are at the same point that we were in January of this year. So maybe this is a good opportunity, maybe not. Let us know in the comments, what do you think, buy or sell? Welcome to Trading HD. Have a nice weekend. Take care.
Bye bye.